Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike, another cooking show for you, for your young cooks out there. In today's video, cinnamon French toast. My wife taught me this, it's very delicious. Stay tuned. We need some eggs, and these are the products we'll be using today. We need a bowl for putting our eggs in. We need some bread. We need some French vanilla, and we're gonna put a teaspoon of French vanilla, and we got our cinnamon here. We need some of that, and our brown sugar, and we're gonna put let's see, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Let's get cooking. Let's get started here, folks. Yeah, we'll get her mixed up real quick for you. We need cooking for 4 this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we'll get our vanilla in. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. One. And we'll get our brown sugar. And 1 teaspoon of brown cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Yeah, French vanilla. All right, we got our mixture. We'll mix it up. I can smell that cinnamon. We'll get our pan on, get some oil on it. Put some here. Put a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. Turn it on. We'll heat it up and we'll turn it down. Cinnamon. French cinnamon toast. How to make French cinnamon toast for your young cooks out there learning how to cook. Hope this video is educational. All right. You want to dip it 1, 2, 1, 2 real fast. You don't want to let it sit in there or it'll soak in the middle, and when you eat it, they'll be soggy. So just 1, 2, 1. That should be good right there. Right there, it's starting to cook now, folks. There's our French cinnamon toast. We'll let it get started. Alrighty. Oh, it's coming along, folks. Sizzling now. Alrighty. We'll turn it. Alright, there's our first batch, folks. French cinnamon toast. Right there, it's supposed to look like that, kind of nice browning. Remember, just dip it in a little. 1, 2, 1. We'll put that on there. 1, 2, not too long or it'll be soggy. Get your plate straight. What's going on? Second batch. All right, folks, our French cinnamon toast is done. Look at that! Wow, it looks so delicious. Melt in your mouth. We'll get a banana. We'll make a side dessert. We'll cut it like this in an angle. We'll get our banana on there. We'll get bananas on there. Then we'll get our cherries. Very healthy. Yipper. And we got ice and sugar. We're not sponsored by any of these products today. We'll put a little bit of butter on the French toast. Better when it's hot. Look at that, nice. Put syrup on. Yep. All right, we got it. Look at the plate, nice. Look how I put it on. Nice. We could put this whipped cream on it next if you like. You can put whipped cream. All right, folks. How to make French cinnamon toast. Hope this video is educational to you. Thank you. Bye for now.